Hi everyone, it's Anna and welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll be showing you how to add someone to Facetime. It's a real simple process, so let's go ahead and get started. First, you'll want to open up your Facetime app. Once open, you will then want to click on the plus side in the top right-hand corner. You'll then enter whoever you would like to start calling. So here, I'll just go ahead and type in my contact and click on their information. I'll then be presented with two options. I can either make it an audio call or a video call, but for today's purposes, we're going to make it a video call. So to do so, I'll want to just go ahead and click on the green button in the bottom right-hand side that says video. So I'll go ahead and click on that and it will call that contact. Once they answer, they'll be connected, and from here I will just swipe up on the menu at the bottom of my phone, and then I'll see the option that says add person. So you'll just want to go ahead and click on that add person option under your first contact, and then you can type in the information of the next person you'd like to call. You'll click on their information, and then you'll see another option to add that person to the FaceTime. So you'll want to click on that green button below. Once doing so, they will be joined to the FaceTime. So that is how you add people to your FaceTime calls. As always, if you have any questions, please leave them below. Thank you again for tuning in. Make sure you're subscribed, and we'll see you next time.